Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am Tahir Javed, SS Pakistan Studies in DPS in Inter College Sahiwal. I welcome you in online classes at DPS and Inter College Sahiwal. Let's start our today's lesson.
Today our topic is distribution of major crops of Pakistan. First one is cotton and second one is sugarcane. Learning objectives. By the end of the lesson, students will be able to explain the features and location of producing areas of cotton and sugar crops in Pakistan. Pakistan is an agriculture country. Due to favorable climate, Pakistan has the ability to grow different seasonal crops and fruits. On the basis of season, crops are divided into two categories: Rabi crops and Kharif crops. Rabi crops are sown in winter season and harvested in the summer season, and Kharif crops are sown in summer season and harvested in the winter season. There are another two categories of crops. First one is called the cash crops and second one is called the food crops. The crops which are grown for selling purpose to earn the profit is called the cash crop, and the crops which are grown to fulfill the food need of the people of the country is called the food crops. If we talk about the cotton, cotton is a cash crop because cotton is grown for selling purpose and to earn the profit. So cotton is a cash crop. Cotton crop belongs to the category of Kharif crop because cotton is grown in summer season and harvested in the winter season. What kind of land is required for cotton cultivation? Rich soil is required for the cultivation of cotton crop, and drainage system should be also very good quality. What kind of weather condition is required for cotton crop? Dry and hot weather is required for cotton crop. Otherwise, harvesting of the cotton crop is very difficult if the weather is not dry. Pakistan produces 5% of the world's total cotton. 3/4 of the total cultivation area of Pakistan is in Punjab and remaining is in other provinces. Cotton crop also provides raw material for textile and banaspati ghee industries. Important areas for cotton production: Punjab province. In Punjab, Dera Ghazi Khan, Muzaffargarh, Jang, Bahawalpur, Multan, Sahiwal, Faisalabad are famous areas for the production of cotton. Sindh province. In Sindh, Thatta, Badin, Sakhar, Sangad, Nawabshah, Khairpur, Tharparkar are the major cities for the production of the cotton crop. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province. In KPK, Dera Ismail Khan and Bunnu are the major areas for the production of the cotton crop. Balochistan province. In Balochistan, Nasirabad, Jafarabad and Kalat are the major areas for the production of the cotton crop. Sugarcane. Sugarcane is a cash crop because sugarcane is grown for selling purpose and to earn the profit. Sugarcane is a raw material for sugar industries, and Pakistan is in a position to export the high quality sugar to other countries and earn the foreign exchange. Some part of the sugar is also consumed in our country, and excess sugar is exported to another country. Kharif crop. Sugarcane also belongs to Kharif crop because sugarcane is grown in summer season and harvested in the winter season. Land quality. Sugarcane fields are also mostly found in areas with better irrigation system because it is a such type of crop which need more water. Dry weather and winter is unfavorable for this crop. Producing areas. Sugarcane is produced in large quantity in Punjab province, especially in Faisalabad, Jang, Multan, Muzaffargarh, etc. Sugarcane is also cultivated in the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, in Peshawar and Mardan districts. Recapitulation and assessment. Define cash crops. The crops which are grown for selling purpose to earn the profit are called the cash crops. Define Kharif crops. The crops which are sown in summer season and harvested in the winter season are called the Kharif crops. Which crop is the basic raw material for textile industries? Cotton is the basic raw material for textile industries. Which are the main producing areas of cotton production in Punjab? Multan, Bahawalpur, Muzaffargarh, Dera Ghazi Khan, are the major areas for the production of the cotton in Punjab? What kind of weather conditions are required for sugarcane crop? Hot and humid weather is more favorable for the growth of the sugarcane crop. Dry weather and winter is unfavorable for sugarcane crop. Home assignment: visit the near available sugarcane field and learn about the features and location of producing areas of cotton and sugarcane crops. I hope you will enjoy this lesson. May Allah bless you. Thank you very much. Okay, Allah Hafiz.